Lee Min-ho is known as one of the Korean actors with a very large and loyal fan base. His birthday on June 22, 2023, was an incredibly memorable celebration, where his apartment was filled with gifts from fans. In the photos uploaded on his social media accounts, Lee Min-ho is seen showing various expressions, ranging from surprise, happiness, to gratitude. He also expressed his gratitude to fans who had given him great attention and made his birthday even more special. The gifts received by Lee Min-ho were very diverse, ranging from flower arrangements, dolls, luxury goods, to meaningful greeting letters. This kind of attention shows how much love and support the fans have for the actor. This moment also proves that Lee Min-ho is not only a big star in the Korean entertainment world, but also a beloved figure globally. Lee Min-ho himself is known to have a close relationship with his fans, called Manoz. He often shows his appreciation and gratitude through posts on social media, making his fans feel appreciated. On his birthday, he wrote a meaningful message, conveying that the support he received gave him energy and happiness in his life. In addition, the atmosphere of his apartment filled with gifts shows how much love he receives, even from various countries. Not a few international fans also sent gifts or made donations in Lee Min-ho's name, as a way to celebrate his birthday meaningfully. This moment is not only a special day for the actor, but also a reminder of how much influence and impact he has as a public figure. Even though he has been in the entertainment world for more than 15 years, Lee Min-ho remains one of the most popular and beloved Korean actors, both at home and abroad. With various big projects he is currently working on, such as the drama, Ask the Stars, and the film adaptation of Omniscient Reader's Viewpoint, the coming years seem to be an increasingly shining moment for this actor. Fans of course continue to support and look forward to the best works from Lee Min-ho.